Have is this plastic panel removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. So let's go ahead and see how to dismantle the parts here. You got this little trim just held in by clips, no screws. You can just pop that out. Underneath that there is one Phillips head screw. There you go guys, as you see here, it's a little trick here, but it's just held in by clips. You can just pop that out like that. Okay guys, now we can pull the unit towards you. It's just held in by two clips here, so just be gentle with that. And there are two plugs at the back where you can just take them off. And next in here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips head screws and holding these things in place. After taking these two screws here, you can just pull the unit towards you. Just give it a gentle pull. There's just one plug that you have to take that off at the back. And that comes off. And then the next thing you have to do is take this plastic trim out here, which is just held in by clips. But it's a little tricky. You just have to use that trim removal tool to take it out. There we go. And that comes out. And the next thing I have to do is take these 4 screws out here, which are Phillips head screws again. Bottom of the unit, there are 2 more screws holding the unit in place. And now you can pull the unit out. And when you do, the few plugs that you need to remove at the back. Here you go guys. This is the drive, and at the last, the screen itself. It's just held in by one plug.
贝尼迪2代的插线视频，这是2代的，2代的主机是这样的。然后我们一个个来，这个是电源插座。这是电源插座，一定要看好线位啊！这个只有一个避震，这边是的，因为它这个车很多是跟原车公用的，知道吧？插座是一样的。然后这一个转接，这个是音频线，这音频线。你看这里有一个这个插头啊，一定要记住，这个插头跟那个空调控制器的插头是一样的，不要插错了。下面的是用那个黑套管套住的，然后呢，上面的这一堆线是那个空调控制器上面的，不要插错了。跟这个插头是一样的，这个也是一样的，以防插错。还有这个 RGB 啊，转换原车的，这个是机器 RGB 转换 RGB 的这个插头跟我们下面的这一个插头是一样的，请记不要插错了。这个是插显示屏上面的，那一个插座跟这一个插座是一样的，这个插回原车的。然后这个是插原车的双闪，原车的双闪跟下面有一个也是共用的，双闪的是第18的这种布，它是原车的啊，下面的这个不是。 这一个是原车的后饰，原车的后饰跟双闪是一样的，不要插反了。下面黑色的套管的是后饰，上面包的这个海绵的是后饰的，不要搞错了就可以了。我们真正下面转的线呢，下面转的线就是3根了，一个电源呢，一个 can， 这一个是音频，就是那个原车喇叭，就主要转3个，其他的插头全部插回原车就可以了啊。一定要谨记啊，因为下面很多一样的插座，这一个是插上面的。
Now what we've also done is these auxiliary out cables have been plugged into the rear in, just so you don't have sound, because this unit utilizes the factory stereos amplifier. The other thing we need to do is plug this in here, ensure that we get all the controls working. Now we will have all the controls working as well.
Alright guys, after connecting everything up, you can screw the parts back in place, the same place that you took them off from.